Hi guys, good morning. Today, welcome back to our channel, Fluidity of Life. Today, we're gonna cook kinda exotic food, but most Filipinos love this. It's a street food, actually, in the Philippines. We're gonna cook chicken feet. Like adobo style. Okay guys, I'm gonna cook this with Sprite and lots of ginger, lots of garlic, and lots of onions, and cook it for at least 2 hours. So it's really gonna be really tender. Okay guys, and these guys are actually a good source of collagen. So sa mga medyo may edad na dyan, magkain-kain ng chicken feet para sa mga face na medyo papunta na ng kulubot konti. Collagen makes your body lubricated para yung mga kaso-kasuan hindi medyo stiff. So, paminsan-minsan kain kayo ng chicken feet for your collagen needs. Okay, see you later guys. I'm just cleaning up this lovely feet. In here, bringing water to boil, and then once it boils, I'll dump this chicken feet, just like blanch for a couple minutes, just to get rid of those impurities, clean it. Okay guys, one is already blanched, so it's ready to saute. And here are my aromatics: 1 onion, 5 cloves of garlic, and ginger. Okay guys, the pan should be really hot, and 2 tablespoons of oil goes our onions, okay, until it's slightly cooked. Ginger and garlic as well. In goes our chicken feet. Salt and pepper. Lots of pepper. soy sauce, two tablespoons, guys, our chicken feet. It's still not really tender yet, but these are already cooked, but I want it really soft and tender, as it's falling off the bones. So at this point I gonna add more warm water and cook another 30 more minutes. I'm gonna add some bay leaves too, guys. You know, adobo needs bay leaf. My chicken feet is looking good. Guys, our chicken feet is done.